Hi, this is Kagan. I'm going to be showing y'all how to use Pixton in the classroom. So Pixton is a collaborative website that allows all members of the classroom, including the teacher, to make comics to share with the rest of the class. So first I'm going to show you the teacher side of things. I've already created my avatar, but this is just an overview of like what it looks like. So this is my avatar. And you can go through and you can select all kinds of different characteristics that you want your avatar to have, but we'll get into that in a second. So on your dashboard, it'll show your class. So you'll click View Class, and then there will be your students. So anytime you want to add a new student, you click Add Student, and then you can type in their name. So if you just want to do John, you can do John. And then it'll generate a username. You copy that link, press continue, and it'll generate John's username. So then over here, we can paste that link, and then we will give John his username. So John 1158, and then he can create his avatar. So I've already created an avatar for another student, so we'll go to Gavin's profile. So this is Gavin. He got to choose his pose, his height, outfit, his expression, any accessory he wanted to have, details on his face, ear shape, lips, face shape, chin, glasses, nose shape, eye color, eye spacing, eye size, eye shape, hairstyle, hair color, skin tone, and then their gender. So I've already created Gavin's. So now you can go into your teacher's classroom. So we're going to go into Miss Hinkle's classroom, and then you can create a comic. So for this instance, I've already created a comic. We'll name this Gavin's Adventure. So I've already created his comic, but I'll just go through and show you guys how to use it. So first you can select your background. So for this instance, I chose this background right here. Then I added characters. So I included Gavin and I included the teacher, so myself. Next, you can select the zoom for the frame. So right now we have this zoom, so like the first zoom selected. Next, you can add words. So in this instance, Gavin is talking to his teacher. He's asking, what do you call a sleeping dinosaur? Next, you can change their facial expressions. So let's change Gavin's facial expressions for this. He's happy, he's telling a joke, so let's make him happy. Let's also make his teacher happy. So there are their expressions. Then you can change their poses if you want. For this instance, we're going to leave it the same. So then when they're done, you can press this check mark up here. You're done with that comic. And then you can share it if you want to from there. So we can go through and look at his comic. So it says, what do you call a sleeping dinosaur? I'm not sure. A dinosaur. And it's fun, it's interactive, it's a fun way for the kids to interact with their teachers, to interact with their other classmates. So going back to the teacher side, so we're back on my profile, the teacher profile, and we have our student info. So from there we can look at our class photo, so it includes the teacher and the students. You can save that, you can print it and hang it up in your classroom if you want. And then you can look at student comics, so comics that students have made in your classroom. So this is available to the teacher and to their other classmates as well. So this is one student's comic strip. And then that was Tia's. So now we're going to go to Carla's comic strip. Let's see what Carla made. And it's really fun, and it's It's funny to the kids. Kids love expressing themselves. They love including their classmates into things. And it's just a fun way to get an insight on your student's personality also, which I really like myself. So that's Pixton. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys decide to use it sometime.